here is how I can use quick notes on the iPad. Let me explain it and show it to you practically. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the quick notes is like a great feature which you can use to pull up the notes panel very quickly to jot down some important notes, right? And you can trigger it either with the Apple Pencil or with the finger. But the point is that you have to swipe up from the corner diagonally from the bottom right to the middle, right? So as you can see in the bottom right corner, I have this thing, so I can grab it like this and swipe up to trying to get access to the quick note, right? So as you can see, it does not work for me. And if that's the case for you, the reason is most likely that you don't have it enabled, right? So inside of the settings, we have to go to the multitasking and gestures on the left side, and you can see plenty of options, and one of them is the swipe finger from corner. So you need to enable it, and you also need to decide what exactly is supposed to be triggered. So you can choose what happens when you swipe up from the bottom left corner or from the bottom right corner, and usually by default the bottom left says the screenshot like this, which as you can see is pretty useful. And from the bottom right, as long as it's turned on, you can start using the quick note, right? So as you can see, you can type something in here and it will be saved in your notes. That's it, done, right? It's a very quick note, so you can do it wherever you happen to be. Another one, right? So pretty useful stuff. That's how it works. And you can as well just grab the Apple Pencil, make sure that it works, and also just swipe it like this, and you can even draw something directly. So that's something you can definitely do. That's definitely a way to utilize the quick notes. You should also know that if you're using Apple Pencil, you can be on your locked iPad, and when you touch the screen like this, you can just start drawing something, whatever it might be, on the screen, and that's technically a quick note as well. Depends on how you define it, but I would say that it's also very useful. So yeah, that is something which I would do. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Let me know if it worked. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.